The scientists who turned dirt into gold. They said he was just a peanut guy. They said his work was simple. But what they didn't tell us is that George Washington Carver transformed Southern agriculture, revolutionized sustainability, and turned science into service. Black history that makes you go, In this episode, we'll celebrate George Washington Carver, the humble genius whose innovations fed the poor, healed the land, and restored dignity to people left with nothing after slavery. They told us science was for white men in lab coats, but Carver taught himself chemistry in the cotton field, and he showed that the earth itself is a classroom, and the creator, the first scientist. So here's what really happened. Born enslaved in Missouri in the early 1860s, Carver was orphaned before he could walk. He grew up sickly, curious, and obsessed with nature. He once said, "When I touched a flower, it talked to me." That connection to creation became his calling. After earning degrees at Iowa State, he joined the faculty of Tuskegee Institute under Booker T. Washington, but instead of chasing fame, he dedicated his life to helping poor farmers. The southern soil was dying from cotton overproduction. Carver studied crop rotation, planting peanuts, soybeans, and sweet potatoes to restore the land. He didn't just save the soil, he saved livelihoods. Then came the experiments. Carver found over 300 uses for the peanut, from soap to fuel to paint to medicine. He created more than 100 from the sweet potato. But here's what they fought or forget to tell us. He never patented his discoveries. He gave them away freely, saying, "God gave them to me, how can I sell them to someone else?" I'm just going to leave it there. Why does this still matter today? Because Carver's story reminds us that innovation isn't about greed, it's about growth. He turned oppression into opportunity, teaching that science and spirituality can still work together to heal both land and people. He proved that you can change the world not by force, but by feeding it. So, what about you? What could you create if you saw the obstacles as raw materials for genius? Carver didn't just study nature, he listened to it. And that's how he found the truth, where others only saw dirt. Because we understand that 5 minutes a day keeps the miseducation away. I want to encourage you to stay curious, stay consistent, and keep learning what they tried to bury. If you enjoyed this discussion and this lesson and want to go deeper and learn more about our Black History flashcards, go ahead and click the link and start reclaiming our story one card at a time. Till next time, good people, I'm Freddie Taylor, CEO and founder of Urban Intellectuals. Love, peace, and power to the people.